Hello everyone, welcome today. Yes, it's weekend today on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January the 29th, 2022, almost end of the month. We have here on Saturday, yes, January 29th, 2022, two regular Sudokus. Yes, two regular Sudokus, Sudoku Medium. And this page is a quintuplet. So we have a regular quintuplet and a regular Sudoku Medium, but in today's newspaper there's also an additional with 6 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle, and those puzzles I'm not interested, so 6 extra puzzles in the additional. 3 of them I will solve today, and also the Sudoku Medium. Quintuplet, I've dropped the quintuplet. Too much for me. If I solve the quintuplets, it will take more than an hour to solve. So 3 Sudokus or puzzles in additional, and tomorrow on Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so tomorrow I will do the rest of the puzzles in additional. But first, Sudoku Medium, regular Sudoku. Yes, again, our daily practice continues. Our daily practice continues with number 4048. Yes, before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 27 printed digits. That means if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, this will be a 1 star for 1 star puzzle. I need to be faster than 15 minutes. We will see, so let's get started. 1 in the first column, 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, the 1 there, 1 should be here. 9 in this row, first row, 9 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the last row, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. Here 1 in the second column, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Well. Cannot continue with the 1. Let me see with the number. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 2 should be there. So 7. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is the number 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see the 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So the column between, only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Alright. Then 3 missing numbers in this third row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8. And look, we have a 7 and an 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in this box. The 7 and an 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for the number 6. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. First column, so no 3 and a 4 in that box. The 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Alright. 1 box left in this column for the number 1. Okay. So we have a 4 in this row. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So the first row, only place left for the 4 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those again. Another pair. Okay. Then. Yeah. How about the number 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 2. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in this row, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. Here 1 in the row above, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. Well, another 1 in this column, so no 1 in that box, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 1. Okay. How about these 2 missing numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big those one of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this row, so no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 4 in the row above. So that row, the only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4, therefore should be here. Okay. Then 6, 6, yeah. Then let me see then. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 9 in this row, so no 9 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Okay. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only place left for the 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. One box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Okay. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square, 4 numbers. So 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, and the 6 is missing, 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. All right. 2 numbers left. In this row, 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and an 8, 7 and an 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 4 numbers. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 3 it goes there. Okay. So, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, and 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 6 it goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have a 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing. No, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. How about those 2 boxes? Oh, wait. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 3. How about these 2 missing numbers in the middle? A row for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. And the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 7 goes there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 3. Finish in 40 minutes. Told you, faster than 50 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I'm analyzing the Sudokus. In particular, these numbers, the center box of the big squares. Well, maybe I see a pattern, or maybe you see a pattern. So I'm analyzing and all those data, gathering all those data, so I can tell about that later. Yes, 387 213 846, and we have here 2 pairs. Yeah, 2 pairs, the 3 and 8. Okay, well, I can tell you something because there are a lot of with 2 pairs, a lot of 1 pair, and I've noticed there's only one with a pair with 3 numbers. Yeah, it's not so often, but yeah, let me collect all the data, and maybe I see a pattern, and I will tell you that yeah, later. So have a great and fantastic Saturday, and we will meet again later on in the evening with the other 3 puzzles, and tomorrow on Sunday I will do the rest of the puzzles in the additional. So have a great and fantastic Saturday. It's weekend, so bye bye for now.